welcome to our channel LOGIXFIRM. And today in this video, we will learn about R language. Now, what is R? R is a tool, open source. Open source means anybody can access it. It is a cross-platform, free programming language designed to build statistical solutions. It is extremely powerful. It gives access to CRAN. Now, what is CRAN? CRAN is a huge library, pantry or repository containing over 10,000 packages with predefined function for almost every purpose. R stays relevant. Now, how it is stay relevant? Constantly, it being updated by user C scientists, researchers and students. Now, what are the uses of R? R makes beautiful graphs, can create custom functions or modify existing ones, can be integrated into many environments and platforms such as Hadoop. And there are some important points or notes related to R. If we want, we can create our own packages and make it available for other users. R is a language in which we going to be coding, but RStudio will be an interface which is very convenient to use. RStudio is an interface in which we can write or run our code. Now, there are some commands in R. First, assignment, which is used to assign any value. Second, function. For example, we have to write something or print something. We can use print function. Mix. We want to mix something. For example, y is equals to squared 16. Y is equals to 15 plus 5. And so on. Assignment queries will update objects in our environment. Queries without assignments as well as call of our objects will either generate an output in the console or in the plot tab. Now, how to use or how to write our code? First, we use 3 hashtag, then assignment, then we assign the value. For example, hashtag assignment x is equals to 1. Now, how to run? Press Ctrl Enter after writing the object value to run the program you write. Now, how to call an object? Write object name and press Enter Ctrl. For example, Y and press Enter Ctrl. In our next video, we will learn about data types. Thank you.